The dual apprenticeship final examination is designed to test the apprentices who did a 3-year apprenticeship course based on the Germany dual system apprenticeship training and adapted to Tanzania.
This program is about creating, as quickly as possible, a manually skilled labor force for Tanzanian industries. We work in hotels, auto mechanics and electrical, and it's a pilot course, and really we need a much bigger platform to work from. We need to expand as quickly as possible.
All the apprentices participate in the 3-year program, partially based in VETA and partially in the respective companies where the apprentices are employed.
VETA ni taasisi ambayo imeundwa na serikali, actually imeundwa kupitia sheria ya bunge, na jukumu kubwa ni kuandaa nguvu kazi ambayo itaweza kusaidia kukuza uchumi, shughuli za kiuchumi na kijamii katika Tanzania.
This section has been set up in the 3 sectors of electrical, auto mechanics and hospitality, hotel professional. The final examination in each sector is comprised of 1 major task and 2 minor practical tasks, lasting at least 8 hours in total, followed the next day by a trade-related theory paper of 2 hours duration.
Mafunzo haya ya vitendo vyuo peke yake haviwezi kuyafanya. Lazima kuwe na ushirikiano wa karibu sana baina ya mahali pa kazi na chuo. Sasa hii programu ilipokuja ndio imeleta huo mfumo. Wajerumani wamekwenda mbali sana kwa mambo haya kwa sababu ndio ilikuanzia kule. Sasa unakuta kwa nchi kama yetu hapa, sehemu za kazi zinalalamika kwamba vijana wanapotoka kwenye vyuo hawana zile skills wanazozitaka. Hii program inajaribu kuunganisha hizo mbili, mafunzo ya shuleni lakini pia mafunzo sehemu za kazi.
However, since the apprentices doing this final examination have to prove that they have learned and developed skills to work carried out set standards, the most important part of this final examination, practical tasks. The apprentices in hospitality did a final examination covering all the 4 departments of the hotel. These are kitchen, restaurant, reception, and housekeeping. The program's aim is to train junior assistant cooks, assistant receptionists, qualified restaurant and bar waiters, and housekeeping experts. At the beginning of each task, the apprentices were obligated to select the equipment for each task respectively. In hospitality, they were tested in laying a restaurant table for a 5-course meal, for which they were given 15 minutes to complete, followed by a kitchen task of cooking a 3-course meal within 3 hours. On day 2, they were required to completely prepare and arrange an en-suite hotel room within 40 minutes and check in and check out a guest.
Hii inawajenga ili waweze kuwa na hands-on skills, waweze kufanya kazi kwa mikono yao, waweze kuwa na uwezo wa intellectual, uwezo wa akili, waweze kugundua hivi vitu vinavyofanyika. Na ndivyo soko la ajira linavyotaka sasa hivi. Watu ukienda tena sasa hivi kwenye viwanda, hawaangalii wewe una cheti gani. Watakupa mtihani, ukifaulu ndo watarudi kwenye vyeti. Na ndivyo tunavyowajenga hao vijana, wanakuwa na confidence ya kwamba wao wanaweza kufanya kazi bila shida yoyote.
The final examination for electrical apprentices included the complete installation of the complex motor control automatic switching system, followed by a circuit fault finding, motor testing, and motor connection. The automatic mechanic apprentices examination entailed the dismantling and reassembling of a 4x4 gearbox or a diesel engine. The minor tasks were the construction and fault finding of an automobile indicator circuit, followed by differential or an alternator dismantling, checking and reassembling. All equipments were checked for correct functioning after completion. Each and every apprentice was comprehensively tested in all of the above mentioned in an intensive practical examination lasting almost 2 complete days. This final examination can only be done by apprentices after completion of a 3-year dual apprenticeship training.